And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning. Thanks for waking up with us here on Channel 5 News on this cold Wednesday morning, but dry Wednesday morning. There is some rain just offshore, but right now we just have some upper level cirrus clouds over us, kind of the edge of this cloud bank, which is a lot thicker clouds as you go over to the east where we have rain showers, but also on the backside in the colder air, yes, that is snow coming down in Arkansas right now, and we expect a wintry mix in parts of Tennessee and Mississippi, but we're done with the precipitation for us. And later today, I think we'll be joining the rest of the state with those completely clear skies. We'll even get rid of these little wispy cirrus clouds that we have, and it is going to be a chilly day, but not as cold during the day as we saw yesterday. Yesterday, it really was a struggle to warm up until we saw the clouds break. Well, today, though we have a few clouds around this morning, they're very thin clouds, and so the sun is still going to come through very easily. I think we'll still have thin clouds 8 a.m. this morning. The model kind of showing them all offshore, but technically there are still some over us. So kind of those really high level clouds, though, tend to let a lot of sun come through. So those are going to be very cold still at 8 a.m. We will, in the afternoon, see temperatures that will largely be in the 50s. And notice that even the clouds that are showing offshore are moving off to the east. So as we get into the afternoon, we'll join the rest of the state with those bright, sunny skies. So we will warm up quickly, but because we're starting out so cold, I think we're only going to manage to warm up to around 60 degrees this afternoon. We'll briefly hit that probably around 2:30 or so, and then we'll start cooling down again because with clear skies, light winds, perfect ingredients for a very cold night once again. And once again, our temperatures are going to be very close to the freezing mark. Now, I think for tomorrow morning, most places will probably just miss freezing, but we are anticipating freezing temperatures in northern Hidalgo and Starr County, and it's going to be so close in places like Weslaco, Harlingen, and Raymondville. We're forecasting a low of 33 right now. I would go ahead and prepare for freezing temperatures. If temperatures just drop 1 more degree, you're going to hit that freezing mark. So probably a good idea to go ahead and prepare just like we did last night for tonight. And tomorrow, once again, sunny skies throughout the day. I think we're looking at highs in the upper 60s tomorrow, so we'll be a little bit warmer, but still below normal for this time of year. Very cold start, but feeling, we'll call it cool in the afternoon. Still chilly this afternoon, very cold this morning, but wind chills probably are going to be no warmer than around 57. Even when we do briefly hit 60. Again, a little bit of a breeze, not as windy as yesterday. I do think winds will reach up to 15 miles per hour, and that will probably be it. And then winds are going to die down right away. So tonight we're going to be seeing light winds, so no wind chill factor, but lows reaching around 33 degrees. Another very cold night, and we do think it will hit the freezing in some spots, especially northern Hidalgo and Starr County. You're going to hit freezing there again. And with temperatures this cold, go ahead and prepare one more night for those freezing temperatures. Make sure the pets have plenty of blankets. Go ahead, and if you've already covered the plants with sheets, leave the sheets on the plants because you'll better to be safe than sorry for tonight. And make sure the pipes are still wrapped up. And then again, it's going to be another cold night, so I know a lot of folks will be using the heaters, but we've been running a story this morning about a fire that could have been started by a space heater. To prevent that, make sure there's plenty of space between that space heater and anything else. Leave 3 feet of free space. Notice the temperatures are going to warm up until Saturday and Sunday when we top out in the upper 70s, but then another cold front comes in. We have no chance of rain until late Saturday night, but that front will bring rain for Sunday and Monday and will cool us back down to highs in the 60s Monday and Tuesday of next week.